When it's time for an employee's appraisal, the manager will receive an automatic email reminder with a link to complete the task. If self-appraisals are enabled, the employee will get one too. Managers and employees use appraisal workshops to complete the appraisal. Let's start by watching the manager score the appraisal, where they rate the employee's performance on each factor. When rating a factor, the manager is presented with all notes and goals associated with this factor. The rating tab that most accurately reflects employee performance is selected, and a graphical representation of this rating is updated to quickly visualize the rating in comparison with others on the form. To create high-quality development plans, managers can take advantage of coaching tips that come standard with TrakStar. After each factor has been rated, summary comments can be added at the bottom of the appraisal form. Now let's go back to the manager's workshop. If the employee has contributed his or her self-appraisal, we can compare the overall score of both the employee and manager and the ratings of each factor along with all comments made during the appraisal. This helps to identify any discrepancies in perceived employee performance. When the manager is ready, the appraisal can then be routed for approval to any number of approvers. Route for approval is highly customizable. Your organization can disable route for approval, allow managers to route the approval to anyone in their organization, create a restricted list of users that managers have the option to route to, or require that managers obtain approval from a list of users before the appraisal can be closed. This appraisal has a list of approvers that must approve the appraisal before it can be closed. Click Start Routing to contact the first approver, Amy Abel. TrakStar will send an email to this user. Amy will get the email and log into TrakStar to approve the appraisal. Here, she is viewing the final appraisal form. She can add comments to any factor and summary comments at the bottom of the form requesting any changes she feels are necessary. She can approve, approve with condition, or disapprove the appraisal. If she picks approve with condition or disapprove, her suggestions will be sent to the manager, but the manager will have to reroute the appraisal to her in order to proceed to the next approver and close the appraisal. Once the appraisal has been approved by all approvers, the manager can close the appraisal. The manager can print off a final copy of the appraisal if necessary. Finally, the appraisal is closed and archived, and the employee is given a new next appraisal date. All past appraisals are quickly and easily viewable. Employees can view their own past appraisals, managers can view the past appraisals of their direct reports or anyone down the management chain, and administrators can view all past appraisals.